Woof. Okay, woof. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and as you guys see, I am fresh face. Okay, I do have brows on, a little mascara, so I don't look too sleek on camera for you guys. But today I'm gonna be doing something super exciting, something I've been dying to do for a while because it's been a couple months since I've done it. So I want to show you guys today how I shave my face at home. I guess you call it like dermaplaning or whatever you guys want to call it. If you're like me, I am very hairy. My sideburns, as you guys can see, they do wrap around my ear. There's hair all right here. I'm just a beast, a hairy beast. Okay, and because I do wear makeup, I do notice that my makeup applies a lot better when my skin is nice and hairless. My foundation just looks so effortless, so smooth, so natural, just so much better. So I'm going to be shaving my face here on camera for you guys. So yeah, let's just get started. So first, let me show you guys what I'm going to be using. So I was in Walmart one day and I was looking for, you know, those the ones for your eyebrows, those little, I was looking for those, but they didn't really have any. So the girl actually recommended these ones, and this one is by Revlon. It's called the Face Defuzzer, and this is what it looks like. I don't really remember the price, but I will put it on the screen. I think it was about $5, maybe $6, $5, somewhere around there. And I thought it was really cute because there's like a red one and a nude one. So I was just like, oh, let me get that. And then I'll have two, so that way I'll have backups. And this one looks super like bougie, so that's why I got this one. So this is what it looks like. Super sleek, super cute. I love this. So I'm just going to read on the back really quickly. It just says directions: use it on clean, dry skin. Carefully run the Revlon face diffuser over your face in small downwards motions, avoiding the delicate eye area. Blade is designed to remove peach fuzz, resulting in a smoother canvas for a flawless makeup application. That's what we want. Alright, y'all all up in my grill. I have a mirror here on the side, so I'm just going to start. Excuse my nails. I'm doing my nails later today, so you know. So let's see. So I'm going to start by stretching my skin out a little bit. I'm going to do my sideburns too, but I'll get to those later. And I'm just going to begin to drag this down my face. I know you guys see that hair. Look at it. And you don't want to do it too hard because keep in mind, is there skin on your face? Oh my god, I have to catch it. You guys, all of that just came off of my cheek. Like, I'm telling you, I'm hairy. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going. Again, I'm going to do my whole cheek. And I'm just stretching the skin. And I'm going to go down under here too. My foundation application is about to be so lit after this. So I'm coming back up and I'm going to begin to take off my sideburn too. Not too much. I don't take the whole sideburn off, but ooh, look how it's just okay. Oh, you guys, this little thing is bomb. And I don't want to make my sideburn like manly looking. I just want to make it nice and short. I'm gonna try not to give myself a shape up and be looking all, really be looking manly. And I'm gonna take it and go a little bit behind my ear too, because my sideburns do wrap around my ear. So you guys, I didn't notice all this was like falling on my chest. Ah, look at it! It's gross! Imagine me leaving that there and like going outside. Yikes. So I'm glad that I drew my eyebrows in before I started this because I want to get the extra hair that's around my eyebrows too. So I'm going to take this, stretch this out, and go downwards towards the eyebrow. Not too low because I don't want to take my eyebrow off. I just want to get the extra hairs around it. This is actually better than the little eyebrows one. Oh my gosh. And especially because I'm wearing my hair up in the front because of my faux locks. So I'm gonna look so much cleaner from the side. Ooh, look how much cleaner that looks. I could take my sideburns up a little higher, but I'm just gonna leave it for now so I don't do too much. Oh my god, you guys see all this hair? Jesus. Woof. Okay, woof. Okay, so keep going. Downwards motion. And remember, do the whole cheek. So if you just do like one section, this other section of your face is going to look, this part that you shave is going to look really light compared to the other part of your face. So just make sure you do the whole cheek, because I narrowed my face one time. Don't recommend it, but I've done it. And only narrowed this part of my face, and this part looked really light while this part looked really dark. So keep that in mind. The same thing should apply when you're shaving your face. So now I'm gonna go take it downwards and get this hair. And also the hair that wraps around my ear. This is also taking off like the dead skin. So now I'm going to begin to remove some of my sideburn. Oh, this is so therapeutic, you guys. If you're hairy, just go and get you a little pack of these. Turn you on some music and get to work. This is like a little gel that's here. It's not dirt or anything. Now I'm going to go and do above this eyebrow. You guys know I like quite a lot of hair on my eyebrows, so I'm just cleaning up around it. Not changing the shape or taking hair off my actual eyebrow. And I don't feel like I'm scraping my face. It literally is just so smooth and so just like, I don't feel like I'm damaging my skin in any way. You guys, this is bomb. Everybody got a unibrow, even if you think you don't. Go and get that too. So I'm also going to go down my nose as well and see what I can get off of there. I don't really grow a lot of hair on my nose, but I have like a little fuzz sometimes. So I'm going to get that too. Alright, so now we're going to go on to this lip because I don't really have too much hair on my lip right now, but whatever, we're going to make it do what it do. Look at that. You're a little peach fuzz, but hey, that can go too. Got a little hair in my lip gloss. My face feels like a pillow right now. Ooh, I just can't wait to put some foundation on. Be all silky smooth like a newborn baby, okay? Ooh, I'm excited. So I got all the hair off my face. My face feels absolutely amazing. Ooh, I'm excited for it to grow back. I'm excited for it to grow back so I can do this again. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to show you guys I'm going to use my phone for this. I'm going to record a little video of all the hair that I just took off my face, so you guys can see. You guys, look at all this hair. This is all of the hair that I got off my face. Like you don't see it, but it's gonna make such a difference when I'm putting my makeup on. Ew, it's so nasty, but I'm so glad it's off, and for some reason I want it to grow back so that I can do this again. But hey guys, this is all the hair I took off my face. Gross, okay? Gross. Okay, so now that we have all the hair off of our face, I'm going to use the 10 Skin. It says ingrown hairs, razor bumps, shaving, waxing. You guys, this stuff is bomb. I use this for like my bikini area so I don't get like any bumps or any ingrown hairs or anything like that. Pretty pricey, I must say, so I use this very sparingly. I'm not heavy-handed with this because this is about $15–16. So yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I've never used this on my face, so we'll see how it goes, but it works fine for my bikini area, so it should be fine for my face. I put a little bit on the cotton swab. I'm going to take this. Ooh. I think this is what they put on the people at the guys at the barber shop, because it has a little sting. It got a little sting to it, but like they do at the barber shop. I don't remember this sting in my bikini area. It's kind of like alcohol. I cannot chance getting any bumps or anything. So again, 10 Skin, I will link this below along with the razors. And this is what I'm looking like, okay? Sideburns are short, like I like them. Don't need them wrapped on my ear, especially while my hair is up, okay? I don't feel like a man. I'm nice and hairless, okay? You can look at me from the side and I don't have a bush going on right here. And I just feel so feminine when my face is hairless, you guys. I love it. Okay, so I definitely recommend these little things from Revlon. Again, it's the Revlon face diffuser, and they come in a pack of 2. You get a nude one and a red one. They're just so cute. I love it. I'm going to sanitize this with some alcohol in a little bit so I can keep it, but I love these. I definitely recommend them. A little bit more pricey than like those dollar ones that you get for your eyebrows, but I feel like these work so much better. So yeah, definitely pick these up. And of course, the 10 Skin is like a necessity if you're going to be shaving anything. You need this. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to let this sit for a while, let my face, you know, realize what's going on before I start adding extra stuff. But I'm going to do a mask later tonight just to treat my skin, make her feel good, because I did just shave her, okay? But yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Anything else you guys want to see on my channel, please feel free to let me know down below. But yeah, while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.